Where are you? System panel header. Well, alright. I found it. The power LED is located here right next to the HDD LED. I will zoom in. Can you see it? Power LED over here, HDD LED over here. So if you go back to the case, you can hardly see, I guess, on the camera, but well, this is the power LED, and this is plus, this is 0, so the plus must be on the outside, so I guess it must be right over here, and the other must be right next to it, like that. Nice, eh? Nice. This is the USB we don't use. This is the fan, which is located here. Well, we'll have to untie this. Alright. Let's see where we can hook it up. Probably here somewhere in the front, because here are several ports left. And watch out for those pins. It fits. It fits. I have to put this thing away also, because it's confusing me now and then. Alright, well. Alright, let's get back to the power supply. I wanted to install that 5 years ago. Well, it shouldn't be that difficult. System power connector, the system panel connector is connected, so it's just putting it in place. Turn it a bit, and well, it's kind of dark over there, but looking for the screws. Screws, where are you? Scrooby dooby screw, where are you? We have to screw you down. Where are the screws? Screws, where are you? Damn. Well. I have tons of screws laying around here, but oh well. Then I use this one. Alright. Well, I trust you can see what I am actually doing here. This is not the most hard part. Screwing a PSU. Although screwing left-handed is kind of difficult for me because I am right-handed. Well, we manage. Alright, last screw. And it's in, right? Nice, eh? Alright. Okay, let's get it back. Turn this again. Alright, so lots of cables around here. I want to have this cable tucked down somewhat lower. I don't want to see it. I don't want to smell it. Alright. Well, before I install the SSD, here, I will determine where I just put it. Well, where to put it? Well, the only place I can put it is in the where did I put that thing? Oh yeah, is in this thing. So the only question is, how will I put it there? Because this will not work. This will not work either. This bracket does not have any screw holes for 2.5-inch devices, so we have to use some other thing. Let's see. Maybe one of these will work. Like this. That one will shove right here. Yeah. So I will hook that on. I guess it's probably something you want to see, so if you don't, okay. Well, that will do. Let's see. Screws. This thing will go like this one. This will go in there. So the most useful thing is the best thing is that these SATA ports are directed that way, because if it goes the other way, it will hit the optical drive. If it will sit like this, then you have not the room to spare next to the optical drive, so I will install it like this. Did you get that? Like this. Sorry for my messy camera work, this is the first time I even ever do this. So I will not install it like this, that way, but like this, with the SATA connected that way. So let's do this. First of all, I need to find some screws. And SSDs use very tiny screws, so let's see what we have. I think it's these screws. Very fine thread. So let's see, will they work? Oh yeah, fitting like a glove. That's one. Come on. Yeah. This screw will not. This is one. That's not the right one. Now, for all those manufacturers creating these screws, please make one universal screw. I mean, what the fuck? Why use so many different kind of screws? I mean, if you consider how much time people who are installing computers, etc., lose time by looking for the right type of screws, and you will count all the hours lost, you get a lot of hours. Alright. Yeah, well, this fits perfectly. Good. Okay, well, now it can just fit here. I guess, where are the screw holes? There's the screw hole and there's a screw hole. but those are deep holes, so we need big screws for that. Just to see if these fits, let's try. Well, it doesn't feel right. First of all, let's see what kind of screws do go here in this side before I try it on. And nope, these are the right ones. Let's try these. Those aren't the right one either. What kind of screws do we have to use? I'm not sure. This one? Yay! Alright. So, we need 4 of them. Do you remember I said the hard drive will be on top? I mean, would be flipped if you installed it in this thing. Well, an SSD is much thinner, so an SSD can be installed upright. But as you can see, if you will put a hard drive in there, it wouldn't fit, like I showed you before. Well, let's have a look. Where is the mounting hole there? I hope the screws will get there, because it goes very deep actually. Whoa! Earthquake. Alright. Alright. Normally those rubbers are intended for anti-vibration of hard drives. So since I do not use a hard drive, this is no problem. Alright, and last but not least, alright, I'm just bothered by the fact that the screw which is going right through here is touching the SSD. Yeah, I think you cannot see it, but I'm not very happy with that. So let's see if we can find a shorter screw for this. We don't need the rubber washer anyway, so I will try to get rid of it. Alright, so I need a shorter version of that one. So I need to get to my... Damn it! The Great Screw Archive, I say. Well, let's see if we can find like just like like this one, but then a shorter one. Well, let's see. Do we've got one here? It's It's a shorter one. And it actually doesn't do anything because the mounting hole is too big. No. Why are these holes so big? Why are the holes so big? What the? Well, it doesn't matter because the SSD is not going anywhere. So it's time to move it to the case. Well, let's turn this camera around. A little bit higher, like that. Alright, because we have an SSD now here, I need to attach a SATA cable to it and also a power cable. So I will look for the SATA cable, which we have here. Nice cables. Yeah. Okay. And let's hook it to SATA number 1. Let's see. Let's see if I can get the angled one in here. It's kind of awkward, but it fits. So I'm back again. I came to the conclusion that this 2.5 inch bracket didn't work that well. Because of it, because of the 2.5 inch bracket, which sticks out at this side, I could not screw the screws correctly to the case. So I removed the SSD and therefore I used the bigger 5.25 inch bracket, which to my surprise has a special mounting point for a 2.5 inch device. So I mounted the SSD here and also the optical drive. So this can be mounted in the case, I guess. So I will move the camera now. So, yes, move the camera to my case. Yeah. And this will be mounted here. First of all, I have to look for the SATA cable. So where did I put it? Here. Damn it. Probably I could fit it this way. Damn. Let's see. Well, got another one. Another SATA cable with no. Okay, that's better. All right. Then let's find myself. Yeah. All right. This will be angled strange because this SSD is the other way around. Well,